It was in our left them and we are condo with full of veggies, yeah, the carrots and onion. What would you like to eat with it? Froy contumber froy another. Guess what? I am coming to eat mine with a bacon. Stay tuned. Oh yes, Ziban Papa. Sapien Ziban Papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's kitchen. Oh, good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's kitchen. Oh yes, Ziban Papa.
Hilda's kitchen. Hilda's kitchen. Ziban Papa. Ibeko na sam aba ebizio. Baby I want Ziban. What so? What is it? The easy to when we beji because no was saved banupo. What we are kono keke. What so? Today Ziban nankasa.
Oh yes, Ziban Papa. Hello. Hope you are all well. It's another beautiful day and I hope you are all well and good. Yes, as you are seeing, as you are watching, this is olive oil. Today I'm coming to prepare simple recipe just to encourage you to eat more veggies. Okay, now as I've started, I love veggies. Yes, I love it. If not raw, I love the cooked one, so I don't always go without my carrots. Okay, so today I've got some abenkwan from yesterday. I'm trying to warm it up and I want to eat white rice. I know onion is also very good for your health. It all helps to to boost your immune system. They all help. So I love a lot of onion. So today I'm going to add onion and carrot to my white rice and I'm going to eat it with my abenkwan. I'm going to twist it a bit. We always eat rice, and what can we do to make it more healthier? That's what I'm doing, and I hope you'll be encouraged to also make some. I'm using olive oil today. So I've cooked or fried the onion for about 3 to 4 minutes, as you can see. It's very nice. Vicky Watembio is also translucent, But I'm a friend more Bob Wamoha. It's very soft. Yes, okay. So I'm now going to add my carrots to it. This is not recipe, it's food ideas just to boost your immune system. As you know, nowadays is bakaka. So the more veggies we add to our food will also help us to live longer. Or record one more body. Guys, one mom thumbs up now. You can eat it like that. Baby. So after 1 minute, I can add water. I'm using hot water. It also helps, ginger. It gingers the onion to gingerlize, and the onion lies. No onion lies one. It also helps cooking for you to, fast. Now I've been. Well, as the air, my name is Abiankon no so. I'm fancho, and then I'm busy fufu. I ate some with fufu, and today I'm going to continue on your continuation of the Abiankon with white rice with veggies. Yes, obojido. Trying to add salt to my taste, so you to add salt to your taste. Yes. The last time I cooked for somebody and she was like, oh, I love the food, but it's a bit kakre. It's better for you to add it yourself rather than adding too much that we cannot take it out. There's a saying in Ghana that says, Besia Papa, na friend table. A good woman is the one they call to bring salt on the table. So my love, bring another salt. That tells you that the person knows how to cook. Besia Papa and you obey is bana obermanchine. I'm not saying never. It will happen once in a while. Don't worry. Orokodo. At this point in time, I will add my rice. was have one mom thumbs up nazana. Obey do papa. Kindly share to the youths. It's better for them to start eating vegetables. Vegetables are good. Anything veggie is absolutely healthy and good. At this time, I'm going to minimize the heat and then allow it to steam at the same time cooking by itself. Hilda's Kitchen. So yes, but papa, good food made in a clean environment. Woman bonjour. Please like our videos and share. It was and we tada pop baby. Now I condemn them no. When you be on Conanezife and Mona Benede Boko, as I always say, you know your rice, so you know the amount of water you need for your rice. And Mona Kondopa, you can eat this rice with cheese, with stew. But today I'm going to twist it. I'm going to turn everything around. You get it? So with the carrots and abenkwan is where I condemn it. Let me show you, Papa B. Thank you guys for sending in there and biankwan with swag, carrots, onion, wadosum. Vegetables are good to boost your immune system. Sets as biankwan I made with carrots and spinach into one and why they're nutritious or your full package papi. When I be on be a guy you are all invited if you're money with the yes or better. Maybe for a ponchina waho with skin on and namzaban. Ya ponchi benin. A for cries it to unquanima. Nanima winya. Why gana on easy. It was goat meat with skin on, waland with akrantie, akrantie, papabi. Wow, wise and fine. Start with your soup. Or budget the papa. It was Toby. Pack no very affordable. Toby. Upon chinam on him, fire and quan fire and kakra. A bien quan fire a bekatikunto. You work hard, so you need to enjoy. Call me on 0799099527. Goat meat, smoked goat meat with skin on. Nonye akrantie. Ningina why available at Hilda's Kitchen. Buy yours now and enjoy it.